Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. So today is day number 30. So this is the last day for the 30 days, 30 e-bikes. I'm gonna ride the Bandit X trail today. The weather is beautiful, but it's a little bit windy and kind of cold, so I wear the helmet. It will kind of help me to keep my ears warm and so on because I've been sick for the last few days already. So I'm gonna talk to you about this bike first and we'll go for a ride. So this Bandit X Trail, it's full suspension, nice hydraulic front fork, and you get like dual shocks on the back. Kind of unique for kind of fat tire bikes, which really nice integrated battery and all this wiring. They do very nice cable management, but there's something I don't like, which I'm gonna talk to you later in while I'm riding. As you can see, very nice cable management, and it comes with nice system and also NFC card, so you can unlock with the card. So let's go. Pedal assist level 1. The display is showing me in percentage and very clear and nice. So we're gonna go and first do some speed tests on throttle only. I don't remember if it can go to the top speed, only 20 miles an hour. It's been a while since I rode this bicycle, but it's one of my favorite as comfortability. And the price range about under 1500. Plus you get extra $100 discount in description with the code E-Rides. So let's go. So it's 18 miles an hour, 19, 20, 21. Okay. So it looks like it's cut off on 21 because of the throttle only up to 20, and then pedal assist would go or above 28, I believe. So let's go to the hill and see if it can climb. And about this challenge, so it's the last day today, and the reason I did the challenge to motivate you guys to start to ride the bicycle more often. And it's been great 30 rides with different e-bikes. So I rode 30 different e-bikes, and I decided to finish with this bike, one of my favorite as comfortability, of course, the Bandit X Trail. I had also the Pacer, which is great bike, but I don't have it anymore. But again, they're very good price right now. You might want to check the prices, like with discount, after discount, like $800 for Pacer, or like, so you might want to check the sales. They are doing really nice bicycles, but there is one problem, as I said before. It's a support which lacking. I talked to the owner or CEO, Richard Cow, and he promised many times that they're gonna improve it, and they did hire somebody who, but I'm not sure why they don't have the store open all this time. I see some posts, people saying the store is not open, like by appointment only sometimes. When I have some questions, they did reply to me, like the person whoever in the store replied to me within 24 hours. But again, it's not as great as I expected, or many other people. So hopefully they will improve it. Otherwise, I cannot really recommend them. But they are great bicycles. So as a bicycles quality, they're good and worth the money. And let's go. get even ghost pedaling at 30 miles an hour. And one of the reasons I don't recommend to go on high speed on the bike lane, because a lot of cars can cut you off and also open the door. But you can really nice pedaling 28 miles an hour, and there's no ghost pedaling for 29. So it does give you a real nice pedaling. I think I got up to 31 miles, that's what it says. I didn't pay attention much to the display usually. So if you ask me what is this additional like headlight and also power bank. It's very bright. You can use this as headlight at night. Like there's a few different modes, and also you can use as power bank to charge your phone if you need to. I believe there is a charger port over here. And it's a ride like a tank, very comfortable and stable on the road. And this one is a little bit uphill road, so it's and I sit very high on this bike. I'm gonna turn over here. I'm afraid I even missed it. Look on the sky. How beautiful. Wow. So this challenge is the last day for me, so it was a great time riding and recording all these videos to demonstrate all the bicycles. I do have a few more, but I decided to stop since I don't see much response from you guys on this challenge, so I'm gonna more concentrate on particular unboxing, some riding experience on different bicycles, some testing and related stuff, and of course some tips. So the reason I'm running the helmet today like motorcycle style, because it helps me with some weather, so my ears will not get cold and also the wind to the face, so it really helps a lot. And I'm very happy that I got this type of helmet, which is adventure. It's been converted to the motocross to go off-road if I want to, or to remove this shield and wear goggles if I need to, or just glasses. But it's also looking cool, and if you need it, put in the description and in the comments, and I'll find you the link. I think I still need to go up. I don't like this road because nobody take care of this stuff, and they have a lot of trees, and they clean up a little, but not as much. So I'm sitting too high on this bike, and actually it is very tall bicycle, and they do have the same model but step through. So if you're looking for step through, I think they have one of the best this type of step through. It's like heavy duty, and I'm not really expecting this bike to perform very well uphill, honestly. I don't think it's has this torque to climb the hills, but we're gonna find out soon. Alright, so I'm close to the hill now, and we're gonna find out if it can climb the hill or not. And again, let's drop. It's kind of going fast now, but I don't need it. But actually it comes with 6 pedal assist mode, 8 gear shifting, everything really nice on this bike. The only thing I don't like, as I said before, the support, it's lacking. Not like I need one, but I see from people when they need it. But actually I have no issue with this bike, so basically I don't really need the support from them. Everything fine to me, working just fine. And I'm gonna stop over here until it's 0 and go, and I'll put on number 6 and let's go. Hopefully we'll make at least half hill. Most bicycle with 750 motors would make uphill, but let's see. I charge it fully, so there will be no problem, shouldn't be no problem, but oh no, actually it didn't make the water of the field. Look at this, it's basically not even uphill, not even half, so there's not really power at all. I'm gonna try one more time with a little bit assist to see if I can speed up the speed, because I hate to see this bike not doing uphill as good at all. It's actually I have 500 watt peak motors which perform much better, but this bicycle is heavy and I'm heavy, 215 pounds. If you're lighter maybe you can, but just with myself on, it's not doing pretty well. So I'm gonna let the cars go, but the hill is steep. I tested over 20 bicycle over here on this hill, and I can talk to you later once. And let's go. Hopefully we'll make at least half. It was like when I tried to pedal it, as I never did before, to get speed and use throttle, but no, the motor does not pull. There is no torque. No, it's basically, yeah, it's not even like a quarter of the hill. So yeah, it's a kind of very disappointment as a hill climber, which I noticed like last time I took to the off-road. It was great for when I pedal it, but I didn't feel like it helps a lot much. It was good, but not as powerful as many other bicycles. Some bikes can go uphill like 750 motor about 8 miles an hour. Some of them 1000 motor go like 8 miles an hour. So I have like a few bicycles which went very good on this, but I'm not sure why Bandit used this motor. So it might be because of the motor or the controller, also the settings of the power distribution, because it's a 750 motor, but again, if they have a small controller I never open up, it will not provide that much power. But you could see it can go easier 28 miles an hour with pedaling. So it's a class 2 bike, most like this, with a 20 top speed on throttle only, and that's usually class 2. That's it. So again, it's not a climber. If you're looking for some climber bikes, comment below. I have few which I can recommend to you. Was this comfortable riding on this bike? Definitely it is. Do I recommend for people who wants comfortable riding bikes? Yes. You can do some hills with pedaling, but it cannot really go uphill. And thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.